In this video, I'll guide you through how to make your Jotform private. Whether you're looking to share your form with a select group of people or simply want to maintain an extra layer of security, setting your Jotform to private is a straightforward process that ensures only those with permission can access it. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to head over to jotform.com. If you haven't already, log into your account to access your forms. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu there. Click on All to view all the forms you've created. This will bring up a list of your forms, allowing you to see everything in one place. Next, find the specific form you want to make private. Once you've located it, click on the form to highlight it. You'll see an option to edit form appear. Go ahead and click that. This will open up the form editor where you can make changes to your form's content and settings. With the form editor now open, look towards the top of the page and find the Publish tab. Clicking on this will take you to the publishing options for your form. The Publish tab is your gateway to sharing and privacy settings. So this is where we'll need to focus our attention. Once you're in the Publish section, you'll see a menu on the left. Find and click on Quick Share. This part of the process is important because it's where you'll control how your form is shared with others. Quick Share gives you a snapshot of your form's current sharing settings and provides options for customization. In the Quick Share section, you'll notice a Share with Link area. This is where you can manage who has access to your form via its link. Click on Settings next to this option. This will open up more detailed sharing settings, allowing you to specify exactly how your form is shared. Now, in the settings, you'll see an option labeled Private Form. By clicking on Private Form, you're ensuring that only invited users can access your form. This setting is crucial for maintaining control over who can view and fill out your form, making it ideal for situations where privacy is a top priority. Once you've set your form to private, you'll want to share it with those specific individuals. To do this, click on Copy Link. This action will copy the private link to your clipboard, making it easy for you to paste and send it via email or any other communication method to the people you want to grant access to. And that's it. Your Jotform is now set to private, ensuring that only those you invite can access it. By following these steps, you can confidently manage who sees and interacts with your form, keeping your data and information secure. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in making your Jotform private. If you found this tutorial useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and guides. Have a great day.